Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: PAN, Aadhaar-linked bank account, and the Yono SBI app signed in. Once done, open Yono and go to Invest or Trade. This is where you link or open a demat if not already linked. Next, verify KYC status and enable net banking or UPI for instant funds transfer. Make sure your trading permissions are active. Finally, identify the stock symbol and decide on market versus limit order, because that choice controls execution speed and price. Once you've chosen the stock, tap its quote and inspect price, volume, and trends to decide quantity. Then hit Buy, select market for immediate execution or limit to specify maximum price. Set the price carefully because it affects fill probability. Choose order validity, typically day, and ensure sufficient funds or margin. Yono shows brokerage, GST, and SDT. Review these charges. After confirming, submit the order and watch the order book to see status updates until it's executed or canceled. After submission, check the order book for execution confirmation. Once filled, verify shares appear in your demat and the bank shows the debit. If the order fails, read the rejection reason. Common causes are insufficient funds, tight limit price, or connectivity issues. In that case, adjust the limit or add funds and retry. If problems persist, contact SBI Yono support or your broker's help desk with order ID. This speeds resolution and protects against duplicate trades or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.